How to make a perfectly smooth ceiling with a guarantee of 15 years for little money in the shortest possible time? It is very simple. You need a stretch ceiling. Our tension ceiling system consists of a vinyl film fixed on the perimeter of the room with the help of aluminum molding. Molding can be fixed both to the wall and to the supporting ceiling. Stretch ceiling comes in different colors and gloss on satin tones. We use a harpoon system to secure the web to the baguette. This mount provides maximum reliability of fastening and the possibility of repeated dismantling of the web. Aluminum molding stretch ceiling can be installed on curved surfaces. The suspended ceiling can embed any lamps, hood, or alarms. A ceiling without appreciable sagging can cover up to 250 square feet, in some cases up to 500 square feet. For large surfaces, we use a combination of several paintings by the use of special profiles. Do you want to significantly change the interior of your premises and not have major complications? Do you want to hide all the flaws of your ceiling or mold stains and give a fresh look to your space? Let us install Stretch Ceiling. On our website, you can make a preliminary calculation and sign up for a free space measurement. If you are a builder, how about being trained and becoming our partner in our city? With us, it is easy.